This is Chelsea Willis. We are here at Comic Palooza with Spectrum 3847. How are you guys?
Doing
We're
well.
doing fine. We've been here since yesterday. We've been demoing here different robots for different age groups so that we can show all the children what it's like and what we do with robotics.
Obviously, this is to help encourage younger people to go more into robotics. Can you tell us specifically what type of robotics that you guys are working with?
So we compete in an organization called FIRST and in a level called FRC, so First Robotics Challenge. And that actually, we have larger scale robots up to 120 pounds, and we compete in challenges, a game, that we get 40 days to build a robot. We also volunteer at events like VEX IQ, like this behind us, and that's for younger children from elementary to middle school. So we do a lot of outreach projects in order to promote this.
Are there any specific age groups or genders maybe that any specific competition is geared towards?
I mean, at the more basic level, the organization we are a part of, FIRST, has competitions for every age group. They start at the FLL level, the First Lego League, meant more for elementary schoolers, and then we have the FTC, the First Tech Challenge, which we actually have a demonstration of behind us, and that's geared toward more of a middle school level. And finally, we have FRC, the First Robotics Competition, that we are demoing right over here. That's geared toward more of a high school robotics level.
And what is your hope for the future of robotics?
So pretty much we're just trying to get children interested in this, and even if they don't go into engineering as a major, it still helps with a lot of valuable life skills, and it keeps us knowledgeable about the things that are happening around us. Because even if I'm not directly involved with the research on going to Mars, for example, it's still helpful to know this knowledge so we're not completely uninformed. So here we actually have the main field for our competition. So we compete in FRC. This is our robot, Ultraviolet, and it's been through a whole season, so there's some dents. But basically, we would collect the ball with the intake here, and when this is lowered, we have wheels here that actually shoot the ball out. And this part here would hang on the bar right there. And also with us are a lot of other teams. For example, walking away over there is Jersey Voltage. They're another Houston-based team. They also went with us to Worlds. 1477 right there is Texas Torque, and they're based off in the Woodlands. So we have several teams with us here today, and we're all demoing to show the people that come to Comic Palooza what we're about and the game that we're doing.
Do y'all offer any scholarships or anything that maybe if they couldn't afford to do it, how could they get involved?
So if you join a team, for example, we're the team from two combined schools, St. Agnes and Strake Jesuit from Houston. If you join the team covers the expenses, and they do have help from the school if we can't make travel costs, for example. And various teams around the country, we have a lot of sponsors. So the sponsors will help us travel to tournaments if we don't have the money to go there. So there's a lot of outreach and support if you don't have economic means to do this.
And where can people go to find out more?
So you can go on, so we have our website, Spectrum 3847, that gives a lot of information. And if they want to know about the competitions, we also have a YouTube channel. But the organization that we're under, FIRST, also tells a lot of information about robotics. So if they go on FIRST FIRST, and they can go on and find out a lot about what we compete in.
That's first.com, .net.
So if you just type in the Google search FIRST Robotics, you'll be able to go to the main site. So.
Okay, thank you. And we hope that you get a ton of kids interested in this and that everything goes great for you guys. Thank you for being here. This has been Chelsea Willis at Comic Palooza with Spectrum 3847. You guys keep it epically real and build them robots.